Good morning, dear children. Are you all ready with your maths book for today's class? In today's class, we are going to do exercise 7C, page number 52, and that is all word problems. Okay, so we will solve those word problems with proper statement. Two, three word problems I will solve. I will show you how to solve with proper statement. Rest you have to practice and you have to do in your maths copy. Okay, try to solve it with proper statement. Okay, students, now let us start exercise 7C. Kindly open page number 52 and pay attention. I am going to read the first one. Shan's mother spends 480 minutes at her clinic. How many hours does she spend at her clinic? Now here we have to find out the total, means how many hours, total how many times does she spend at her clinic. Okay, so let's start with statement. First one. Now let us see first how much time does she spend. That is, let us make time spend at clinic. That is 480 minutes. Okay, now as we know that students, 60 minutes makes 1 hour. 60 minutes is equal to 1 hour. So what we will do now? So hours spent by her at clinic. Now to find out this, what we have to do? 480 divided by 60. Okay, so let us do the division. 60 is your divisor and 480 is your dividend. Okay, now 480 in 60 is table, that is 68 is 480 minus 0, 0. Okay, that means she spends how much? 8 hours. Okay, in this way you have to solve the word problem. Now let us move to question number 2. My favorite TV show is 2100 seconds. How long? How much time is that in minutes? Now it is given in second, and what we have to find? We have to find out it in minute. Okay, so let us start. TV show is, what is the time of TV show? That is 2100 seconds. Okay. Now, as we know that 60 seconds equal to 1 minute. 60 seconds equal to 1 minute. Now we have to find out this TV show in minutes. Okay, so TV show in minutes. So for this, what we will do? We will do 2100 divide 60. Okay. Now let us do the division. 60 is your divisor and 2100 is your dividend. Okay. Now 60, 3 is 180. Now put the minus sign. Okay. Now when you will do the subtraction, you will get here 3. Take the 0 here. Now 65 is 300 minus 0, 0. Okay, that means in minute it is 35 minutes. Okay. Now here we are following the table of 60 in both the place. Okay, I told you how you can see the table of 60. Just multiply 60 with 1, then 60 with 2, then 60 with 3. You will get the numbers. Okay. Now here comes question number 3. A sadhu on a vow of silence did not speak for 7,200 hours. How much time is that in days? Now here we have to find out the days, means for how many days that does he did not speak. Okay, so let us start. As we know that students, 24 hours makes 1 day. This all we have studied in our time chapter which we are having in class 3 in time chapter. Okay, that 60 minute makes 1 hour, 60 second equal to 1 minute and 24 hours equal to 1 day. So now 7,200 divide 24 because we have to find out in days. So 7,200 here 24. 4. Now here we have to follow the table of 24. So 24 ones are 2, 24 2. Now 24 3 equal to 72 minus put 0 0. Okay. Now take the other 0 that is in tens place 0. Now for this 0 put 1 0 in quotient minus 0. Now take the other number which is ones place, that is also 0. Now for this 0 put one more 0 in quotient minus 0. So we got the number 300 has the quotient. So your answer is 300 days. Okay. Now let us do which one? Let us do question number 6. Okay. A factory made the same length of wire every day for 35 consecutive days. During this period, it made 82,075 meters of wire. How many meters of wire did the factory make every day? Okay, so let us find out. First, we will see the length of wire. That is how much it is given. Length of wire, that is 82,075 meter. Okay. So what we will do? 82,075 divide by 35. Okay. So let's do the division. 35 is your divisor. 82,075 is your dividend. Okay. So 35, when you will follow the table of 35, you will come to know 35 2s are 70. Okay. Minus. Now do the subtraction. 2, 7 from 8, that is 1. Okay. Now take the number that is in ones, tens, hundreds place, that is 0. Now 120 you got. Now 35 3s are, when you will do, you will get answer 105. Okay. Now again do the subtraction. Now borrow from 2, so it will be 1, and here new number will be 10. Now 5 from 10, that is 5 and 1. Now take the number that is in tens place, 7. So the number you got is 157. Now 35 4s are, when you will do, you will get answer 140. Now again do the subtraction. 7 1. Now take the number that is in ones place, and that is 5. So 175 in 35's table. 35 5s are 175 minus 0 0. So the answer which you got is 2,345 meter of cloth factory will make every day. Okay. Now let us see one more. Now here it's given question number 8. In a division sum, the dividend is 6,045 and the divisor is 65. Find the quotient. Now here you have to find out the quotient. So your dividend is 6,045 and your divisor is 65, and you have to find out the quotient. So what you will do? You will divide 65 and 6,045. Okay. So 65 9s are, when you will do, you will get answer 585. Now do the subtraction. This will be 9 and here it will be 14. 5 from 14, that is 9. 8 from 9, 1. Take the other number which is in ones place, 5. So 195 you got. Now 65 3s are 195 minus 0 0. So your quotient is 93. Okay, in this way you have to do it. Now next is, here you have to find out the divisor. Okay, question number 8b. It's given there in a division sum, the dividend. Okay, dividend is 17,750. Okay, and quotient is 250, and we have to find out the divisor. Okay, divisor we have to find out. Now by using the formula, what was the formula, students? Dividend equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. Okay. Now here our dividend we are having, that is 17,750, and divisor we have to find out. Quotient is also given 250 plus remainder. Now remainder also we will find out. So let us do the 17,750 by 250. Okay. So here comes the quotient. कैसे आ गया 250? Quotient is given there ना 250 equal to divisor. So here we will do 7,750 divide 250 equal to divisor. So let us do now 250 divide 17,750. Now that is 257 1750. Okay, minus. Now do the subtraction. 5 from 7, that is 2. Take the number in zeros with 0 1 250 minus 0 0. So here you got the divisor 250. Okay. So students, in this way you have to do the remaining word problems also. I will provide this 7C exercise to you. Okay. Now here comes the simplification. Okay. Now next is simplification. Now here you have to, one operation is called like addition, subtraction, multiplication and division are called operation. Okay. Now in this lesson you will learn a new operation called OFF. Okay. In this sum you will have many operations like plus also, minus, multiplication, division. This all will be in one question. In previously what we were doing, plus and minus and multiplication, but now here division will also there. Okay, that is called simplification. Means in one question you will have plus also, minus, multiplication and division also. Okay, and that is called odomos. O for off, D for division, M for multiplication, A for addition and subtraction. That means you will have in one question all these signs you will have in one question to simplify. Okay, as you can see in the example it is given there. So this is the step you have to follow. First you will do the OFF operation, then divide, then multiply, then add plus numbers and the minus numbers, subtract the number. This previously also students we have done, adding the numbers, then subtraction, but here new things are added, that is division and multiplications. Okay, so let us do exercise 7D. Okay, let's do the first one, that is 36 divide 4 into 5. Okay, now according to rule, first what we will do, first we will divide. Okay, now OFF operation is not there and the second number is divide. So first we will divide. So 36 divide 4, that is 9. Now into 5. Now do the multiplication. So here is the answer. Same we will go for 72 divide 4 of 3. Now here OFF is given there. And according to rule, first we will do the OFF operation. So 72 divide 4 of 3. OFF means students here, OFF means multiply. Okay, OFF means multiply. So 72 divide 4 3s are 12. Now divide 72 by 12, that is 6. So this is your answer. Okay. Now let's do second A. 16 into 4 minus 56 divide 14. Okay. Now first what we will do, first we will divide. As OFF is not given there, OFF is also, if OFF is given there, that means it is multiplication sign. Okay, but here OFF is not there, so multiply, minus and division sign is there. So according to rule, if OFF is not there, so second step is divide. So we will divide 16 into 4 minus divide 56 divide 14. When you will divide this number, this both number, you will get answer 4. Okay, now after divide, which is the step we have to do? Multiply. So we will multiply this both number. So 16 into 4, that is 64, minus 4. Now do the subtraction, 60. So here is the answer. Okay. Now let us do the off one. Let us do C. Okay. 140 divide 5 plus 4 of 120. Now 140 divide 5. Now here of is given, that means multiplication. So when you will multiply 120 by 4, you will get answer 480. Okay. Now after of, which step we have to follow? Division, that is divide. Now divide 140 by 5. When you will divide, you will get answer 28. Now plus 480 equal to, now you will add this both number, you will get answer 508. 480 plus 28. 8 plus 2, 10. 0 here, 1 carry over. This is the answer. Okay. It's so simple, students. Just this you have to keep it in mind. That first you have to do the off operation, then division, then multiply. Then you have to add the numbers plus and minus separately. Means the numbers which are having plus numbers one side, minus on other side. Then you have to subtract the number. Okay. So let us see question number 3. Let us take B. 128 divide 16 of 4 plus 325 into 7 minus 165. Okay. So let us start. First what we will do? First we will do the off operation. Okay. And here is the off operation. So 128 divide, when you will multiply 16 into 4. Let's do 16 into 4. 6 4s are 24. 4 here, 2 here. 4 1s are 4 plus 2, 64. So 64 plus 325 into 7 minus 165. Now which operation we will do? Now we will do divide. So this is the next one. Now when you will divide this both number, you will get answer 2 plus 325 into 7 minus 165. Now after divide, next is multiplication. So we will multiply this both number. 2 plus, when you will multiply this both number, you will get answer 2275 minus 165. Okay. Now after multiplication, we have to do the plus numbers. Add the plus numbers and the minus numbers separately. So we will add this both number first. So 2277 minus 165. Now do the subtraction. So you will get answer 2112. So this is the answer. Okay. Simple. First we did the off operation. Okay, we multiplied 16 into 4 and we got the answer 64. Then we did 128 divide 64. Okay, when you will divide 64, 128, 64 2s are 4, 2s are 8, 2 6 are 12, minus 0, 0. Okay, then we did 325 multiply 7. 7 5s are 35, 5 here, 3 carry over, 7 2s are 14, 15, 16, 17, 7 here, again 1 carry over, 7 3s are 21, plus 1, 20. So this is the answer which we got. Then we added 2275 plus 2, that is 2277. Now we did the subtraction and here we got the answer. Okay. Now let us do one from fourth question. Let us take 5120 of 16 divide 64 into 20 plus 18 into 180. Okay. So first what we will do? First we will do the off operation. Okay. So 520 into 16. 0, 6 2s are 12, 2, 1 carry over, 6 1s are 6, plus 1 7, 6 5s are 30. Put the multiplication sign, cross sign in one's place. 0, 2, 1, 5. Okay. Now add these numbers. 0, 2, 9, 1, 8. So this is the number which we got. So 81,920 divide 64 into 20 plus 18 into 180. Okay. Now after off operation we will do the division. That is 920 will be divided by 64. Now when you will divide this, you will get answer 1280. Okay. Into 20 plus 18 into 180. Okay. Now after division we will do the multiplication sign. Now when you will multiply both this number, you will get answer 25,600 plus, here also multiplication sign, so they also will be multiplied, 3,240. Now add both this number, 28,840 is the answer. Okay. So students, in this way you have to do the simplification of exercise 7D. Just keep it in mind this rule. First do the off operation, then divide the number, then the numbers multiply the number, then the numbers which are having plus sign will be solved, written one side, and the minus sign on separately. Then after getting the answer, subtract the number. Okay. So in this way you have to do the simplification. Now student, here also what problems are there in 7E? It's also so simple. Just you have to try to solve it with proper statement. Okay. I will do. Let us do any one of this from exercise 7E. Okay. Let us take question number first only. Okay. First A. The smaller of two numbers is 936. Find their product if the sum is 2360. Okay. Now it is given there, smaller of two number, that is 936, and their sum is 2360. Okay. So their product. Now to find out their product, what we will do? 2360 minus 936, that is 1424. When you will subtract this both number, 2360 minus 936. So 10, this will be 5. 6 from 10, 4. 3 from 5, 2. This will be 1, 13. 9 from 13, 4 and 1. So this you got the answer. Now 936 into 1424. When you will multiply this both number, you will get answer 13,32,864. Okay. Now comes B. The greater of two number is 710. Find their product if their difference is 420. Okay. So greater of two number, that is 710. Their difference, it's given there, their difference, that is 420. Okay, so 710 minus 420, it is 290. So their product. Now to find out their product, 710 into 290 equal to 2,05,900. This is your answer. Okay. So in this way you have to do. Now let us see question number 4. Ria's father bought 12 packets of toffees. Each packet had 96 toffees. Ria distributed toffees equally among 36 friends on her birthday. How many toffees did each get? Now here we have to find out the number of toffees each child got. Okay, so let us solve the word problem with statement. Number of packets of toffees. It's given there 12. Okay, now number of toffees in each packet, that is each packet had 96 toffees. Okay, so 96 multiply 12 equal to, when you will multiply 96 into 12, 2 6 are 12, 2 here, 1 carry over, 2 9s are 18, plus 1 19, put cross sign below one's place, 6 9. Now add the numbers, 2 5, 1 carry over, 9 10 11. Okay, so this is the answer which we got after the multiplication of 96 into 12. Now number of friends is 36. Now to get how many chocolate does each child got, for that 152 divided 36. Okay, let's do 1152. Okay, so 36 3s are 6 3s are 18, 1 carry over, 3 3s are 9 10, minus this will be 0, this will be 15. 8 from 15, that is 7. Now take the number which is in one's place, 2. 72 in 36 tables, 36 2s are 72, minus 0 0. So the answer which you got is 32. That means each child will get 32 chocolates. Okay, so students, in this way you have to solve the word problems. Okay, you have to solve the remaining ones with proper statement. Okay, and with this your chapter 7 is also over, and I think by the end of the chapter now all of you have learned the tables. If not, then students kindly learn the tables. It will make your multiplication and division more fast and easy. Okay, so that's all for today's class. Thank you.